Anytime now that we see a crunch, especially in a 48-hour period of that number, we feel it's important to put out a public service announcement.
Buffalo police have a warning tonight after a string of fatal overdoses. Erie County Health Department officials say 5 people died between Friday and Sunday, 4 of them in the city of Buffalo.
It's suspected these are overdose deaths caused by opioids. And News 4's Jen Shantz has learned this deadly drug fentanyl may be working its way into additional circles. Jen?
Well, yeah, Jackie, that's what's different about this case. It's suspected, according to police and county health officials, that the overdose victims were not using just heroin, but perhaps cocaine as well.
So we have bent the curve, and we continue to decline in opioid-related overdose deaths.
This despite a deadly start to the new year. 5 people dead in Erie County suspected of opioid-related overdoses. It happened between Friday and Sunday. Buffalo police are noticing an alarming new trend.
Now apparently fentanyl is starting to show up in some other narcotics. So even though you think that you're just purchasing cocaine or you've been a long time cocaine user, there is a possibility, again, these aren't pharmaceuticals grade drugs.
It's unclear if these deaths are associated with the same batch of drugs or where police think they came from. Year to year, Erie County has seen a noticeable decline in fatal opioid-related overdoses, down from 301 in 2016 to 130 confirmed in 2018, and 5 suspected so far this year.
We did see a blip. The good news is that I expect that this was just one blip. The medical examiner's office has reported to me that they haven't received any new cases today.
First responders are reminding everyone, not just drug users, of the importance of Narcan, medicine that when given in time can reverse the effects of an overdose.
The community has gotten more involved, so they became our first responder, for lack of a better definition for it, because most of the time when we're arriving on scene, either police, fire, or even a bystander family member has administered a Narcan.
Now, you don't need a prescription for Narcan, and training on how to use it is free through the county. Those details are on the News 4 app. Coming up at 6 o'clock, some important advice from Health Commissioner Dr. Burstein. The advice she has for drug users. She says if you're going to use, you need to keep this in mind. That's ahead at 6. For now, Jen Shantz, News 4 at 5.